Don't worry. Let's start. See,
Yes, sir.
this another next method I give you is homework, but as usual we didn't make it. So it is Hoffman elimination. Now what happens in
Yes,
Hoffman
sir.
elimination? We call it quaternary ammonium hydroxide. Okay, why quaternary? Because nitrogen is
Yes, sir.
making 4 bonds here. Ammonium, just like NH4 is ammonium ion, so similarly it is also ammonium ion, but here all 4H have been replaced by your alkyl groups. Now what this OH minus does, it extracts less hindered beta hydrogen. I hope you remember this. It
Yes, sir.
extracts less hindered beta hydrogen. So I hope you can see here, with respect to this nitrogen, this carbon will be alpha. This will also be alpha, alpha, alpha. But this story is not about alpha, it is about beta. So it is beta. This is also beta. And this is beta. So let me tell you, I have 3 beta carbon atoms.
Yes, sir.
Each beta carbon atom will have hydrogen. Here also you can find hydrogen. Here also you can find hydrogen. Beta 2 and beta 3 are same. So I'm not writing hydrogen on beta 2 also. So just tell me which is least hindered, beta 1 hydrogen or beta 2 hydrogen?
Beta 1 hydrogen, sir.
Means that above hydrogen, no? That is
Yes,
correct.
sir.
So what will happen? This OH minus will pull this H. Okay. Now as you start pulling it, what will happen? Here delta minus will start coming. And I hope you can see here delta plus on this carbon. So
Yes,
they
sir.
will eventually start making bond and this leaving group will depart like this. We have discussed this reaction already. You go through the notes of
Yes, sir.
elimination reaction. This will be your product.
Yes, sir. We discussed, sir.
I know we discussed. This will be your product. This will be the alkene formed here. Now, the second one is called cope elimination. This is your cope elimination. Similar to your Hoffman. Similar.
Yes, sir.
Same job. Everything is same. Instead of OH minus, here O minus pulls less hindered beta hydrogen.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
let's see. So here, with respect to this nitrogen, this will be again alpha. This will be alpha. This will be alpha. But as I said, it is not about alpha. It is about beta. So this is beta. This is beta. There is no other beta. This is one beta hydrogen. This is another beta hydrogen. So tell me, beta hydrogen 1 and beta hydrogen 2, which is least hindered?
Beta hydrogen 1 is least hindered, sir.
So this O minus will pull this H. Now once
Yes,
it
sir.
starts pulling, here you will see the minus is coming. And because of plus of nitrogen, here delta plus is present. So this
Yes, sir.
delta minus and delta plus will start making a bond like this. So eventually this bond will break. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So product will be like this. See, this is, and here double bond plus N. Here it will be OH, this, and this. Clear?
Yes, sir.
This is your final product. Major.
Yes, sir.
Both products, oh sorry, whatever, where I've written this. Both products are least substituted alkene possible. Both products are least substituted alkene possible. So we say it is Hoffman product. I hope you remember Hoffman and Sedgwick.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Don't forget, please. The thing which we have, if you are not remembering, I will suggest you go through the reaction mechanism chapter. Otherwise, what will happen? Ki everything will be in vain. Means
Yes,
we
sir.
discussed elimination reaction mechanism just because we can move faster. But if I
Yes,
will
sir.
have to explain mechanism here also, the very same mechanism, that means it is waste of time. Okay. So it will be better that you go through the mechanism one more time. Okay.
Yes, sir.
It will be better for you. Now next is, what will be the sequence? Can you tell me the sequence? Next method after
Sir, 6, 7, sir.
seventh. Okay. So it will be pyrolysis of ester. Ester or sulfonic ester. Pyrolysis, I hope you understand the meaning of pyrolysis. Oh, I told in the previous class. Pyrolysis means reaction carried out by just heating. We heat
Yes, sir.
substance and reaction is carried out. Now let me show you. Now let's see. With respect to this ester group, see this is your ester group, isn't it?
Yes,
With
sir.
respect to this ester group, this carbon is alpha and this carbon is beta. Okay. Remember, we are checking the alpha beta with respect to this oxygen.
Yes, sir.
So this is alpha, this is beta. I hope you can see here hydrogen. Can you see? So we will call it beta hydrogen. See, reaction is same. It is very same as Cope elimination. Exactly same. How? Let me show you. See how it happens. Understand this. Don't write. I'm just writing it. We will write in one step. This oxygen
Yes,
under
Really good, please.
what?
Yes. Sir, sorry, sir. Nothing, sir.
This lone pair will undergo resonance. I hope you can see resonance here. Double bond, single bond, lone pair. So first of all, this resonance will happen. Don't write. Don't write yet. Okay. So something like this you will get. And we are heating it. Remember, we are heating it. So I hope you understand. So I hope you understand that when we heat, I told you, heating favors elimination. Now this O minus, what it does, this O minus tries to pull this beta hydrogen. This O minus tries to pull this beta hydrogen. So what we will get if this beta hydrogen is plugged? Let me show you. Minus here, O, double bond, O minus. Oh, sorry, not O minus any longer. It will become OH. This R dash and here it is plus. Now as here plus, as here minus comes, I hope you can find delta plus on this carbon. So they start making bond and this bond is already broken. So we get product this. But it does not happen in 3 steps. It happens in 1 step only. And how do we show it? Let me show you. We show it like this. I showed you in the bottom the story which I have told. It is for children's. So that's why I showed you this is story for children. But we are not child. So that's why what we will do, we will make the professional manner only. That method which I am seeing you in the top mode. Let's see what happens here. See, this lone pair undergoes resonance, and this oxygen means this circled oxygen, it gets negative and this negative pulls this H off. So I'm directly showing arrow like this कि your oxygen is trying to pull this H. So what do we get? Let's see. Just a second. What do we call it? What will we call it? We will call it transition state. We will call it transition state. And finally, our product is like this. Please note this. This is our alkene. Can you tell me this H will be removed from same side of ester or it will be removed from opposite side of ester? Tell me. Beta hydrogen will be removed from same side of ester or opposite side of ester?
Same side of ester,
Yes.
sir.
This is called, this is example of syn elimination.
Yes, sir.
This is example of syn elimination. Very well. Okay,
Yes, sir.
good. Similarly, can you make the product of this reaction? Sorry. Can you get me the product of this reaction?
Yes, sir. Alpha.
This is called sulfonic ester.
Yes.
This is what we call sulfonic ester. Make it fast.
Yes, sir. One, two, three, four. So butane plus. Sir,
Yes.
butane, sir,
Huh.
and
Butane. It's butene.
butene, sorry, butene and yes, double bond O, OH, CH3, sir.
Yes. It is
Yes, sir.
called methane sulfonic acid.
Yes, sir.
See, beta hydrogen. See, this is how we make the product. Remove this beta hydrogen, give here double bond,
Yes, sir.
break this bond. See, in every reaction it is happening. Why it is happening here? Because it can act as leaving group.
Yes, sir.
That's why it is happening. Okay. Although this is no longer in our syllabus, the next reaction which I'm going to say, it is no longer in our syllabus. Sequence will be, I think, 8, right?
Yes. Yes, sir. 8, sir.
Wittig reaction. This is actually 3-step reaction, I should say.
Yes, sir.
Firstly, we treat our molecule with PPH3. Secondly, with a base, generally NaH, KH,
Yes,
alcoholic
sir.
QH, like that. Thirdly, we treat it with some aldehyde ketone like this. Okay, like this. Okay, I will show you how to make the product directly. I will show you how to make the product directly, and I
Right.
will show the mechanism as well, but try to make the product directly.
Yes, sir.
We place 1x like this, 1h like this. X can be anything. X can be Cl, Br, I, it doesn't matter. And we place oxygen like this. Okay. Then we break this bond and this bond. Okay. And we break this bond as well. So tell me, this left carbon, how many bonds it is losing? How many bonds it is
Two bonds.
losing?
2 bonds, sir.
And how many bonds this carbon is losing?
That carbon, one each, sir.
What?
Oh, that's also 2, sir. 2.
So this is also lost 2, this is also lost 2, and they two get attached by a double bond.
Yes, sir.
That's it. This is how reaction happens. Done. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is what we call Wittig reaction. Wittig reaction.
Yes, sir.
WITTIG. Wittig reaction. Made?
Yes, sir.
Now let me show you the mechanism as well. Otherwise you will say, sir, you didn't show the mechanism. So let's see. We have RCH2X and we are treating with PPH3. I hope you understand that phosphorus is having lone pair. Okay. What is the possibility? Possibility is that here you have delta plus on this carbon. Phosphorus will attack and X will leave. You get
Yes,
this.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Phosphorus will get a lone positive charge because it was neutral earlier. Now it is donating electron. Okay, I hope up to here there is no doubt. What happens next? We are using base. Now what base does? Base removes acidic hydrogen. So see, can I say this hydrogen is acidic? How?
Sir,
If I
sir,
remove
because
this H,
it
I'm
will
having,
be make double bond.
yes, I'm having plus right on this carbon,
Yes, sir.
right beside this carbon. So this H was acidic. So base removed this H. Okay. Now next what we are doing? We are treating with something like this. R dash R C double bond O. Now see, something like this happens. This bond gets broken. What do we get here? We get R dash, R double dash, C, O minus. And this O minus gets connected with phosphorus. And
Yes,
here
sir.
plus will come. And this minus will get connected to this plus like that. And how do we show it? We show it like this. Let me show you how do we show it. We show it like this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What do we get?
Like between CH and PPH3 bond will be breaking, sir, and between O and PPH3 will be forming, sir.
Like this. Firstly, you understand. Now let me
Yes,
tell you
sir.
a few things about chemistry. In chemistry, this bond is very strong. P double bond O.
Yes,
This
sir.
bond is also very strong. Si double bond O. Or SiO you can say.
Yes, sir.
P double bond O is also a strong bond.
Yes, sir.
Because what is happening, it is being formed between atoms of different electronegativity. That's why these double bonds are very strong. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let's see. Once we heat it, what happens? Something like this. Let's see. See, did you understand what I did here?
Yes, sir.
Arrows, do you understand the meaning of arrow? Although I told you mechanism, no need of mechanism because it is not even in our syllabus mechanism.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir. Understood, sir.
Why it happened? Because P double bond is a strong bond
Yes, sir.
and molecules wants to keep P double bond off. Please note this. This is the mechanism for Wittig reaction.
Yes, sir.
Now, next preparation method is that you already know, Wurtz reaction. Wurtz and Kolbe, I'm not going to say. Okay. One method
Yes.
is Wurtz and one is Kolbe.
Which we know, sir.
Yes, because if you generate, okay, fine. Product.
Sir, 2-butane, sir.
Butene.
Sub 2-butene.
First of all, recognize the reaction. Which reaction is this?
Elimination, sir.
We have, no, see, we have alkyl halide.
Dehydrogenation. Halogenation, sir. Dehalogenation.
No, we are halide. We have sodium and dry ether. It is Wurtz reaction.
Hmm. Yes, sir.
In Wurtz reaction, what happens? We remove our leaving group and generate free radical.
Yes, sir.
And free radical get combined to give us this.
Yes, sir.
Please note. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So these are the method of preparation of alkene. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you
The
have any
Kolbe.
doubt till now, you can ask. Okay.
Sir, in all the reaction we learnt, no, sir. Sometimes we may get minor product also, no, sir. Like
Yes, you
any
can.
other.
But once
Yes.
if they are asking major, then you will make
Yes,
major
sir.
only.
Yes, sir. Which is best reaction for producing alkene, sir?
If you talk about yield wise,
Yes,
so
sir.
dehydrohalogenation of vicinal dihalide is very good. Dehalogenation, sorry. When both halogen are removed from,
Yes, sir.
and if you talk about a normal method, so I will suggest you can go with direct E2 mechanism. E2 mechanism is also good, and even also, even
Yes,
you
sir.
won't get so many product, but yes, those reaction will require higher temperature. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Let's move. Let's move to the next problem. Oh, so this is our phase preparation method. Now let's write chemical properties. Physical property, you please go through the NCRT or your textbook. It's not that difficult and not important at all.
Yes, sir.
So we will write general reaction of alkene is electrophilic addition reaction.
Yes, sir.
Means alkene generally gives addition reaction and that too electrophilic. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Do I need to tell you what is electrophilic addition or is it, do you know already know?
So we know, sir.
That's very good. We have already discussed electrophilic addition reaction. Just give me, let me give one or two example. Yes, get me the product of this reaction.
First, electrophile generation, sir.
Do everything. We have discussed this. I will directly write the answer.
Yes, sir.
We discussed and you have solved the problems also.
Yes, sir. First, electrophile will go attack, sir. Then so H plus will go attack in the end, sir.
What?
In the same, in the primary. Sorry, what is it? Primary carbon, sir. 1 degree carbon.
Yes, yes.
Hydrogen. Then electrophile will be generated in 2 degrees, sir. That by height redshift it will go to 3 degrees, sir. Then I will go attached there, sir.
Okay. Everyone, Santosh, have you tried? Monish?
Yes, sir.
Did you get the answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so how will we make it?
I will attach in the second carbon, sir.
Okay, let's see how it happens. Again, in the very beginning, pi bonds attack on H plus. Now, once it attacks on H plus, you get a carbocation like this. Okay, and what happens is H is shifted. So
High redshift, sir.
it gets rearranged like this. Okay. Okay. Now what
Yes, sir.
happens next? Here, I minus will attack.
Yes, sir. I got this only, sir.
Very well. Okay.
Yes,
This will be your product.
sir.
This is EAS. Okay, product of this reaction. Hmm. Okay. Just show the reaction between these two. NOCl. NOCl is nothing but NO plus and Cl minus. Can you make the product? And here
Yes,
pH
sir.
is attached.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just make it fast.
Yes, sir. Sir, NO will attack in the primary for 1 degree, sir.
Hmm.
And Cl will attack in middle, sir. And many byproducts also.
NO will be attached to the primary carbon. That is correct.
Yes, sir.
And here carbocation will be generated. Now what?
Yes, sir. Then, like, I think if it goes here, no, sir, it will have more stable, sir, because of resonance also will be there, no, sir.
What are you suggesting?
It will come near where pH is present,
Yes,
sir.
that is correct.
Hydrate. Yes, sir.
Hydride shift.
Yes,
The
sir.
reason is also correct. You will get resonance from benzene here.
Yes, sir.
Oh, sorry.
Yes, sir.
And in the end, show the attack of Cl minus.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this will be the product.
Yes, sir.
But remember, it is formed by which mechanism? Electrophilic
Addition.
addition reaction. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I hope I told you that electrophilic addition will be directly proportional to stability of carbocation formed. Remember?
Yes, sir.
So we have discussed this already, so I'm not entering into that. Okay. Second.
Yes, sir.
This is also we have done. Have we done this or not?
In peroxide, yes, sir. Anti-Markovnikov's rule,
Yes,
sir.
correct. You are right.
Yes, sir.
Means where you feel like, in first case, what will happen? Pi bond will attack on H plus. You will get some product like this.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, I made it wrong. Okay,
Yes, sir.
your product. Okay, how carbocation will be formed and here plus will come and Br will attack, blah blah blah, like that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now what in case of second, we get Br at the corner.
Yes, sir.
We get Br at the corner.
Corner.
As you said, it is the first product is formed by Markovnikov rule
Markovnikov rule.
that we have already
Second.
discussed,
Yes, sir.
and it is anti-Markovnikov. See how quick we can run now. Once we
Yes,
know
sir.
every mechanism, please note this.
Yes, sir.
And remember, this is not shown by HF or
HF.
Cl or HI.
Yes, sir.
They don't give this reaction. Cool. Right this far. See the product here we have made two products. Can you see two products?
Yes, sir. One is thing, sir. It is geometrically
No, optical.
active. Yes, sir. Optically active.
Chiral carbon you have here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Moving forward. Third. This we have also discussed. It is nothing but C, and here X is what? X is either Cl or Br.
Yes, sir.
So it is anti-addition of X plus and X minus in Markovnikov rule,
Yes, sir.
Markovnikov manner across pi bond.
Yes, sir.
It is anti-addition of X plus and X minus in Markovnikov manner across pi bond.
Yes, sir.
How? Let's see.
Yes, sir.
Should I turn the page?
No, sir.
Oh, sorry.
CCl4, sir.
Or CS2. Non-polar solvent. Both are non-polar.
Yes, sir.
So, one Cl will be attached on this side and one Cl will be attached on this side.
This side. Opposite each other, sir.
Yes, and anti-manner. It is anti-addition.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, I hope you remember this reaction happens like this. Why I'm telling you the mechanism? Because I will ask you a good question. I hope you remember this happens. And this shouts for help. Remember?
Yes, sir.
This goes
Cl
from backside.
Yes, sir. Backside attack.
And it attacks where?
less hindered.
Yes. No, I should not write less hindered. Otherwise, you should write it attacks where it is not less hindered. It attacks where
Opposite side of Cl.
where more stable carbocation can be formed.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
once it attacks here, what do we get? We get this. Why I'm saying the mechanism is important because it will enable us to understand the products. For example, let's say I ask you this. Just a second. Third, it will be fourth. Can you tell me the product of this reaction? We have already done this.
So H2 will go on H2, like H plus and OH minus, sir.
No. Check the notes. We have done this.
Yes, sir.
Check.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the answer. Okay, got it?
Sir, H plus will attack and Br minus will attack, sir. Or
we forgot.
Br plus.
Leave it. What's the benefit of discussing reaction mechanism? I told you this calls this substrate water ask alkene and Br2 to come for a party, and then the alkene captures Br. So another Br says, I'm coming to save you. But before Br, this water,
OH minus.
why are you saving? I am going to save. It was my party. So water attacks. So it is nothing but anti-addition of Br plus and OH minus
Yes, sir.
in Markovnikov rule.
Yes, sir.
So product will be like this. Okay,
Yes, sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Now they ask this very good question. Product. They are saying how many structural isomer will be formed here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, think and answer. See, mechanism is in front of you. Again, I'm telling you, one Br will be captured, one
Yes,
Br
sir.
will be captured, and people will help.
Sir, we should not see GI, sir, or we should see GI also, sir.
No. I told you structural isomer only.
Yes, sir. Sir, 2, sir.
How?
So one Br can go help, sir, or sometimes Cl can also go help, no, sir.
So you are saying we will get this? We will get this. Don't worry. We will get
Yes, sir.
this for sure.
Yes, sir.
I
Br is asking to help. Cl also can go and help, no, sir.
Br minus can help.
Cl minus can also help, sir.
Cl minus can help. Yes, correct. See, we have Cl minus. And we have
Yes, sir.
aqueous medium also.
So OH minus also can help,
No,
sir.
not OH minus, water.
Yes, sir.
So product will be like this. In first case, Br, Br. Second case, Br and OH. OH will be in the middle, remember? And in third,
Yes, sir.
it will be BrCl. Okay?
Yes, sir.
I hope it is
Very
clear.
good. Yes, sir.
Please note this.
Yes, sir.
This is the proof that this reaction is electrophilic addition. Why? Because in second step, nucleophile is attacking. That means in first
Yes,
step, electrophile did attack, isn't it? In second step, see, firstly ring is formed and then ring is broken. So who is breaking the ring? Nucleophiles. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
These all are nucleophile. They are breaking the ring. So who made the ring? Ring is made by electrophile. So that is why
Yes, sir.
this reaction is called electrophilic addition, not
Philic
nucleophilic.
addition.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Great. Let's move forward. What will be the sequence?
5, sir.
5. Okay, okay. I'm not discussing stereochemistry and everything. Okay, we have already discussed.
Yes, sir.
I hope you remember trans and so trans alkenes, anti-addition, so racemize, so meso product. TAM drives a car. Remember? If you wish
So
to
what,
go
sir?
through, if you wish to remember TAM drives a car, it will be better that you go through the.
Yes, sir.
It will be better if
Yes,
you
sir.
go through the stereochemistry of anti-addition.
Yes, I remember, sir. TAM,
Great, great.
car. Yes, sir.
Hmm.
That's for asymmetrical, no, sir. Sorry,
Yes,
symmetrical.
symmetrical.
Asymmetrical. Yes, sir.
Asymmetrical always gives
Car.
yes. Addition of H2SO4. So cold H2SO4 can be added to, remember, cold and concentrated. Cold concentrated H2SO4 can be added to alkene like this. Pi bond will
Yes, sir.
attack on H plus. You will get this carbocation. And then what will happen? This O minus, sorry,
HS, sir. Sorry.
now this O minus will attack here and you will get this. Okay, please note this.
Yes, sir.
But remember, it will happen with cold concentrated only.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so now let me tell you, if you treat it with water, so just understand this thing.
Easily it will be removed, sir.
What?
Easily HSO3 will be removed, sir.
Yes, very good. You remember. So
Yes, sir.
what will happen? This oxygen lone pair will attack here, and this O will be simply removed. By SN2 mechanism. So what we will get? We will get R OH like this plus
Yes, sir.
H2SO4. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now this provides a great yield of alcohol, and it is one of the finest method for preparation of alcohol.
Yes, sir.
It is one of the finest method for preparation of alcohol. Okay, so how do we prepare it? We treat it with H2SO4 alkene, and then whatever we get, we treat that with water.
Yes, sir.
Very well. Next. Addition of water. See, we have already done this. This is also we have done. How? Either they
Same
write
only.
like this,
Oh, yes, sir.
or they write like this, or they write like this.
Rail touch. Rail touch. Not the patient.
Okay. Dilute.
Yes, sir.
It should be dilute. So again, pi bond will attack on H plus. Carbocation will be generated. I told you sulfate will never act as nucleophile. Nitrate will never act as neutrophile. So who will attack as
Yes.
nucleophile? Water.
Oh, yes, sir.
Please draw the product. If please doubt arises, ask immediately. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Doubt arises, ask immediately.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Okay. Now let's see. Seven. Dimerization.
Yes, sir.
Now how it gets dimerized, let's understand. So if we treat this molecule with concentrated H2SO4 and temperature is kept around 80 degrees Celsius. Now what happens?
Yes. Sir, H plus. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we take as numerical, we take numerous molecule here.
Numerous.
Numerous means so many molecules will be there. See, this is your another molecule. Or let me show in this manner. Okay. Now
Yes,
what
sir.
will happen? Let's understand. This is carbocation. This is double bond has electron density. Carbocation has loss of electron. So what will happen? This bond will break. Don't draw it in this manner. This bond will break like this.
Yes, sir.
Here minus, here plus. And minus will attach with plus.
Yes, sir.
Show it directly in this manner. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And plus will reach here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Ask immediately.
So then, to this place plus any more can come and attack. So like this is the
What?
like to this plus now, sir.
Yes.
One more compound can come and attack now, sir. Like one more double bond.
Huh. One more, yes,
Like
but it can.
yeah.
Huh. So it can be polymerization as well.
Yes, sir.
But generally it is observed that it results in dimerization only.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Because of hindrance, sir.
Huh.
Yes, sir.
So what happens next? Since we are providing heating, I hope you can see H from here, or no, or H from here. So this H is removed, and ultimately,
And double bond. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
okay.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Now, I hope up to here everything is clear to you.
Yes, sir.
If you have any doubt, please ask. Don't hesitate, directly ask.
Sir, minor product. Can you tell the minor product, sir?
Yes, minor product will be removed from this hydrogen. This one.
Yes,
This will
sir.
be removed. Minor product.
Yes, sir. So any minor product can be formed from H, like SO3 like that, sir.
No. Why? Because it is
Yes.
happening at higher temperature. So HSO4 minus, what it does, it pulls the H plus. It
Oh,
tries to
okay,
get
sir.
base. At high temperature, elimination favors. I told you. See, the previous
Yes, sir.
reaction addition, why addition was happening? Because we had
It was cold.
cold.
Cold. Yes, sir.
That's why.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next is oxidation reaction. Now this is very important. 8. Oxidation reaction. Now there are so many oxidation reaction of alkene, not just one or two, so many. Number 8. Reaction with oxygen in presence of silver. Okay. It
Yes,
gives
sir.
epoxide. How? Let's see. We heat alkene in presence of oxygen, and with the help of silver catalyst, you get to see this. We call this compound epoxy. This type of compounds are called epoxy. I hope you remember epoxy.
Epoxy.
We discussed when we were discussing the opening of epoxy ring SN2 or SN1 of alcohol and ether.
Yes, sir. I'll check. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Epoxy we learned, sir.
Yeah, see, I remember everything. I told you, I remember this.
Yes, sir. Epoxy we did, sir.
Yes, product.
Uh, it will be OH in the two sides. Like in this, sir. Sir, like triangle it will be, sir. Like triangle.
Yes. We call this molecule ethylene oxide.
Yes, sir.
It is called ethylene oxide. B. Although let me tell you, the first A reaction is not that important, but B is very, very important. Very, very, very important.
Important.
Reaction with 1% KMnO4 or dilute KMnO4 or cold KMnO4 or cold alkaline KMnO4 or Bayer's reagent oblique OSO4 followed by hydrolysis sodium bisulfite. Oh my God. It is syn addition of OH and OH across pi bond. Oh my God. It is syn addition of OH and OH across pi bond.
Yes, sir.
See, there are just two reagents here. 1% KMnO4 to these up to here meaning is same.
Yes, sir.
Can you get me the product?
Sir, into break the double bonds and add oxygen in two sides, sir. The two
Yes.
in same. Yes,
Like this.
yes, sir.
Somewhat like people say that this reaction occurs like this. This happens like this. They make a cyclic stage with alkene. They make a cyclic stage with alkene, and that's how they react. Okay. Oh, sorry.
Yes, sir.
They make this cyclic stage. Nobody asks this. Nobody. And hydrolysis is there. Don't worry. Water will be added.
Yes, sir.
So you get something like this here. Okay. And upon
Yes,
hydrolysis,
sir.
this bond gets broken, this bond gets broken, and you get ultimately this. And of course, plus MnO2. I hope you're understanding we are going to get plus MnO2. Although no requirement here. Okay.
Yes, sir. One, sir, will copy.
Okay.
Ma. Yes, sir.
Now alkene has got so many properties. Let me show you one more question. Product.
So one, sir. Uh, the OH will add into sides, sir.
Yes, like this.
Yes, sir. On both the wedge OH only will be there. Yes, sir.
Either you make like this or you make like this. Both are same.
Like both on dash also. Yes, sir.
Yes. So let's say we have this. This is cis butene. We are treating it with Pairs reagent. I hope you understand we are going to get this. Aren't we? Remember this?
Yes, sir.
Can
Yes,
you
sir.
find any POS here? Do you find any POS?
Line of symmetry. POS.
Plane of
This should
symmetry.
be. Yes, sir. POS is there. Yes, sir. Plane of symmetry is there, sir.
This is your plane of symmetry, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Even point of symmetry is there, no, sir.
No,
Like
no, point of symmetry is not there. At least not now.
if you turn.
Then you will get.
Yes, sir.
Plane of symmetry means it will be optically
Optically
inactive.
inactive, sir. Yes, sir.
So cis alkene, in addition, we get meso. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let's talk about transalkene as well. Transalkene is like this. Can you try to make the product? Just a second. They won't be like this. Oh, they will be like this. Sorry, I made wrong. I hope you understand. Now, is there any POS?
Sir, POS. Yes, sir. No POS, sir. Sir, no POS.
And no COS?
No, sir. No COS also, sir. Optically active, sir.
So it will be what? Dextro and LIGO. So when transalkene goes for syn addition, you get meso. Then it
Yes,
is
sir.
just opposite of TAM drives a car. In TAMS drives a car, we had cis alkene anti-addition racemic mixture. Oh, sorry. This is not meso. What I'm writing? It will be racemic mixture.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, this is racemic mixture. I'm remembering TAM. That's why I wrote meso.
Yes, sir.
So TAM drives.
Okay, it will be tar and tar.
So it will be no. It will be won't be tar. It is something like CSM and TSR.
Yes, sir.
Cis alkene, syn addition, meso, trans alkene, syn addition, racemic mixture.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But again, it is valid for symmetric alkene only. For asymmetric, we get always racemization.
Yes, sir.
Please note this. Very important it is. Very, very. So it is about everyone. Sin addition always gives us racemic mixture for sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's try.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Next. It was B, no? Now C. I'm not giving you combustion. Okay. I'm not giving you combustion. Next is oxymercuration, demercuration. Or in short, we call it OMD. Oxymercuration and demercuration. What we do here, we treat our alkene with HgOAc whole twice in presence of water. This is the first step. Not water, just make it generalized. ROH. And then, secondly, we treat it with NaBH4. Result is, it is Markovnikov addition of what? Markovnikov addition of RO minus and H plus,
Yes, sir. In
RO minus and H plus
in
in
anti.
anti manner. Do you know
Yes,
this?
sir. Yes, sir.
How?
Like I know this sentence, sir. Markovnikov's addition of.
But in anti manner, not in sin manner.
Yes, sir.
Can you make the product? What will be the product?
It'll go H plus will attack. Pi bond will attack on
No,
H
you
plus,
don't
sir.
need to write mechanism. I'm not telling you the mechanism. I'm just telling you the result. This is the result of this mechanism. If you remember result, you can make the product easily.
Yes, sir.
So what will happen? You have to add
Then only
RO minus and H plus. Where H plus will be attached? Corner or middle?
corner, sir.
Yes. And where RO minus will be attached?
Middle, sir.
Like this.
That too in opposite position. Yes, sir.
Now, if it intrigues you, so let me tell you, H plus seems to be coming. If you want to go into mechanism, this is a some zest of mechanism. Means all the good things coming out of this mechanism. The H plus seems to be coming from NaBH4 and RO minus comes from ROH. Okay. Why I'm telling you this? Because in advanced, sometimes they ask question like this. Product.
So H will be attached. OH will be attached in the mm, second 2 degree carbon, sir.
OH will be attached to 2 degree, and what about this 1 degree?
Yes, sir.
What will be attached here? What will be attached here?
Sir, the H, sir.
No, D. This
D.
time you don't have any BH4. You have what?
D.
NaBD4.
D. Yes, sir.
So it will provide you D. See, I wrote earlier. H plus seems to be coming from NaBH4. Okay. So now we don't have NaBH4, we have NaBD4. So D will be attached here. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Remember, no rearrangement occurs. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Complete it fast. Done.
1, sir.
Okay, complete it.
Yes, sir.
Great. Next, D. D is, you can say, opposite of your oxymercuration. It is called hydroboration oxidation. HBO. Hydroboration oxidation. Firstly, we treat our alkene with BH3 or B2H6. Both are same. So we get H2O2 and OH minus. Now, let me tell you. First of all, you get this. First of all, you get this. And when we treat it with H2O2 along with OH minus, we are going to get our product. And what is the product? I am writing the final product. It is anti-Markovnikov addition of H plus and OH minus
Yes, sir.
in syn manner. Remember, syn addition it is. Syn manner, comma. Okay, fine. Okay, let me write one more thing. And can you tell me from where this H would be coming?
Sir, it's
From where
coming
this
from
H comes?
BH, sir.
Yes, correct.
Yes, sir.
And can you tell me from where OH minus comes?
So it is coming. It is coming from H2O2 OH minus.
Yes. See, I'm not telling you the mechanism because mechanism is never asked. In this reaction, they are just one or two reaction like this only. They never ask the mechanism. But still, I'm giving you the what question can be asked. So what will be the product? Can you tell me here? OH will be connected to the corner. Okay, like this.
One, sir.
Yes, product.
Sir, OD minus and D will go in attack, sir.
Yes. Even if you see you are having OH minus is not coming from actually OH minus. It is coming from H2O2. That's why here it will be OD and here it will be D.
Yes, sir. Once, sir.
Done now?
Once, sir.
Okay. Now next reaction is going to take some time.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Okay. Fine. So we do one thing. Just stop it here because next reaction is going to take time. Just write the heading instead,
Yes, sir.
or we can
Yes, sir.
take 5 minutes. No doubt, no problem. Ozonolysis.
Yes, sir.
Very interesting and very, very, very good reaction.
Yes, sir.
Ozonolysis. Let's say this is your alkene. If you treat it with O3, you get something like this.
It will be like house itself, no, sir.
Yes,
Structure.
yes, correct. Just like a house. We call it ozonoid.
Yes, sir.
Highly unstable and explosive.
Yes, sir.
And then we can perform here 3 reactions. We can treat it with Zn oblique H2O or CH3 whole twice S. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Or we can treat it with H2O2. We can treat it with H2O2.
Yes, sir.
Or we can treat it with LiAlH4. The first one is called reductive ozonolysis. Second one is called oxidative ozonolysis.
Yes, sir.
And LiLH4 is called uh, hyperreductive ozonolysis. Okay.
Yes, sir.
First one results in aldehyde ketones.
Yes, sir.
Second one, aldehyde ketones are formed by first. Second one results in ketone oblique acid. And third one results in alcohol.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just write up to here.
Yes,
And
sir.
we will understand it on the next one, how product is formed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And I will send
Yes,
you
sir.
some questions. I hope you gone through the questions which I sent earlier.
Yes, sir. Alkanes, yes, sir.
So you got any doubts? So you can ask me. Raja, you don't send me the doubt. Why?
Sir.
Raja is there.
Sir.
Sir, she has some Wi-Fi issues, sir.
You solved question, alkane. Siddharth? Ajay Siddharth. Santosh?
It's not there, sir.
Not there. Okay. Fine. They are not there. So, okay, fine. So let's stop the class here only. And we will be
Yes,
discussing.
sir.
We will be discussing it further on the next one. So I will send you some questions. You better go through them. Okay. Bye bye.